Welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. So it looks like Harbor Freight just leaked their June 2026 parking lot sale ad. We got it for you right over here. So let's kind of go over it and see what they got going on. So I'm going to kind of say, repeat myself a few times here from things I've said in the past when it comes to their parking lot sales or Black Friday sales, things like that. So first of all, everything in the yellow usually is nothing that's that crazy. Similar sale that they have, almost every week or every other week on most of these products. However, if I see something that stands, out to me, I will let you guys know. And then the other thing is, any items that are below $20 regular price that are less than 30% off, those usually I will skip as well, just because again they have those kind of sales, almost every other week or at least once a month or so. So let's go ahead and kind of take a look here. So let's start off first up here of when this is going to start. So it looks like June 1st, Monday for all ITC members, and then June 5th on Friday for everybody else. And let's kind of take a look over here. So, as usual, kind of their best deals tend to be their percent off deals, and they're the ones that are kind of front and center right here. So I already see a couple ones that I think are going to be, pretty hot deals over, once they start. So first of all, let's kind of start off with this 35% off of all Icon wrench sets. I know sometimes they'll go up to 40% off, but 35, for me is close enough. There's definitely, one or two wrench sets that I need to pick up. Every time they do a sale like this, they tend to sell out very, very quickly. And sometimes I can't pick up, everything that I want. And there's definitely a few that I may line up for at 8 a.m. when this sale starts, just so I can get my hands on some wrenches. Next up, we got 30% off of Vulcan welding products, 30% off of all Doyle. Not a bad deal. Sometimes they will go a little bit higher, up to 35, sometimes 40% on, especially on certain categories, screwdrivers, pliers, etc. But 30% off, I mean, usually we're only talking about $1 or $2 difference on a lot of the Doyle products since they tend to be lower priced anyways. And then 40% off of Grant's products. This stuff is great. The things like the steamer that they show here works really well. The microfiber cloths, I buy these things constantly, for the business. So they work very, very well. And then we got the Bauer starter kit, buy it for $99, get a free tool. Not a bad system. We definitely use these things constantly, and we haven't broken one set. I bought at least 3 or 4 different sets of Bauer tools so far, and everything has worked out very, very well for us. So let's kind of scroll down here and see what else they got going on. So it looks like they got the 5 drawer cart for sub $200. Pretty good deal when it goes below $200. Sometimes it will drop to $179, but if this is something that you're looking for, $199, not a bad price whatsoever. Then they got that mini toolbox, 21% off again, since it's less than $20 normal price. Sometimes you can get it for a little bit cheaper, but honestly, not by much. So if you guys want some of these, I got a few of these guys, and they're very, very useful. And I'm not going to go through every single deal. You guys can kind of take a quick look and see if there's something that you guys want, or pause if I'm going too fast on anything. Next up, we got this, the new Meme XL tool, as everybody kind of calls it, $59.99. Again, not a bad deal. However, sometimes these things will go up to 35% off, where I think it is a little bit of a better deal than it is right here. But $59.99, not a bad price. I definitely wouldn't pay $80 personally for this set, but at the sub $60, something that I would definitely recommend to at least look at. Wobble set right here. This thing works really, really well. And then let's kind of go on to the next page. I believe this leak is 4 pages, if I'm not mistaken. So here we go. Let's kind of go back to the top. Again, up in the yellow section, nothing too crazy. This light is a pretty nice light. Sometimes it'll go a little bit lower than that. It'll drop down to about $14.99. But if you want to pick them up at $19.99, also not too bad of a deal. And then it looks like we got some US General storage. We got the 72-inch for $13.99. We have the 42-inch for $5.19. And then we got that full bank service cart for $4.99. I picked this thing up maybe about a month or two ago. Been loving this thing. I think it's a really good deal, especially when it goes below that $500 mark. Although sometimes you can pick it up for a little bit cheaper. Might be able to save $50 or so. But I think this is a great cart, and especially for the people out there that do that hack where they buy 2 5-drawer carts and make a 10-drawer cart. I think you're better off just going directly to this guy. It looks like they got a bunch of jacks over here if you guys are looking for that. Anytime they got this one sub $100, I think it's a pretty good deal. But all of these jacks look like they're pretty good deals at the moment. And let's kind of continue going on down and see what they got. So it looks like they have, a mechanics tool set right here. So a master impact set, the half inch at $50 off. Not bad. I picked this thing up not that long ago. Very comprehensive. I watch a channel called Tools and Twisties who does a great job, and he showed me, I think these things are a better deal and better quality than the icons are, even though I like the regular chrome icon sockets. Next up, let's kind of look in the yellow, see if I see anything. This thermometer works really well. I got a couple of those, and I don't really see much else on that page. Let's go ahead and go to the third page and see what we got going on. Again, nothing too crazy in the yellow. Looks like we got a bunch of, generators and things like that. Engine, little auger, all that kind of good stuff. Let's kind of move on down. Looks like we got, a wagon here. We got shelves. We got a dolly. All their kind of normal stuff that they typically have on sale. 98-cent picks, the shop towels, all that kind of stuff. These screwdrivers, which I tend to avoid. Not going to spend too much time on this page. And let's go ahead and get to the last page here and see what they got going on. Top section. This thing is actually, I actually just picked this thing up because we got a new compressor for work, and I just needed a bunch of little accessories. The hose is kind of garbage, but the rest of the pieces, I think it's a pretty good deal for what it is. But the hoses at Harbor Freight, I think, are a decent deal for what they are. These Allen wrenches, I got these in a few go bags. They work really well for kind of what they are, and at sub $4, I don't think you can go wrong. Speaking of air compressors, some air compressors right here and a hose reel. We got some Hercules power tools, and then they also got the Hercules starter kit here for $119. I went with the Bauer. Part of me sometimes wishes I would have tried the Hercules instead. Who knows? Maybe that's for another time, but I'm already part of too many battery systems as it is. Let's take a look down here, see what else they got. Looks like another welder and a welding table. Some more kind of corded Bauer tools over here. The 72-inch liquidation sale off of clearance and as is, stuff like that. They usually do that at most of these sales, so it's always worth it to kind of take a look over there. Actually, at the last sale, a quick tip, they had some clearance pliers. It was the snap ring pliers that also applied for, the other sale as well. I think it was like 35% off of all pliers or something like that. So sometimes you get to double dip if you kind of play your cards right. But I just looked at this flyer. I'm looking at it as we kind of speak right now. So I haven't had a chance to really research what we can double dip yet. Maybe by the next video drop, we will see that. And then again, here in the yellow, nothing too crazy that I kind of see. Again, kind of all of the normal par for the course type stuff. So let's go back to where we started here on the first page. So again, these I think are going to be the big deals for everybody, especially this first one right here. I always see people lined up whenever they do these kind of sales. They rush in all the basic type wrenches, the anti-slip, especially in metric. Those things go very, very quickly. So if that's on your list, definitely want to line up at 8 a.m. on June 1st if you're an ITC member. And once again, here are the dates right here. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.